One day, a man by the river decided to set up a heart-shaped fish trap. In the middle of the river, he placed this trap using the river stones, which he carefully selected. After putting the specially prepared baits in it, he left the trap alone. The fish, caught in the smell of the baits, slowly began to swim into the trap. After a while, when the fisherman returned, he could not believe his eyes. The trap was full of fish. He excitedly closed the trap's mouth with a stone and began to collect the fish. This was one of the most enjoyable moments of fishing. He was grateful for another day full of rivers and fish, for the beauty that nature had to offer